Hi, I'm Valerie, and I will be demonstrating the ReachZ mobile app. We at Zenithech believed that in order to tackle the challenge, a comprehensive solution was needed. So we built two apps, one for the person at risk for suicide and another companion app for the care provider. Let us take a scenario. When our patient Mike Blake is getting ready to be discharged from the emergency unit, the care provider installs the ReachZ app on Mike's smartphone. The care provider then uses the companion app to collaboratively create a safety plan for Mike. More information on the companion app later. The care provider scans Mike's safety plan to his smartphone and walks him through the app. When Mike launches the app, he is greeted and asked about his feelings. Based on his current feelings, the app provides tailored information and resources that he would need. Let's tap on Happy. The app acknowledges by providing a motivational quote as a positive reinforcement. Since Mike is in a positive mood, the app provides options to review his safety plan, view his appointments, connect with social media resources. The app also provides some suggestions for activities that Mike may want to consider. Let's take another scenario. This time, Mike is feeling sad and depressed. So he taps here. The app reminds Mike that there is hope and the one thing worth living for is family. This information is extracted from his safety plan that was scanned by the care provider. The app provides easy access to Suicide Prevention Lifeline. Here Mike can either call or text the lifeline or use the TTY line. Mike also has the option to contact the crisis center that are in his close vicinity, or he can access the warning signs from his safety plan by tapping here. Mike reviews the list of warning signs and taps on the sign he is currently experiencing. The app provides options to contact the lifeline or view his internal coping strategies or reach out to his contacts or finds positive distractions, all of which are extracted from his safety plan. In this case, he decides to reach out to his contacts. He can view both his personal and professional contacts. Mike wants to seek professional advice and contacts counselor Kevin Dale. He can either email or call him. What we have just demonstrated is how ReachZ can help people like Mike who are at risk of suicide find useful resources, coping strategies, and positive distractions to help them cope with their feelings. From the main screen, Mike has access to the lifeline, safety plan, and appointments. The resources button gives Mike easy access to social media like Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and YouTube. It also helps him locate crisis centers and treatment facilities. Let us find the crisis centers that are in close vicinity to Mike. The app retrieves a list of crisis centers based on his current location. It also provides detailed information about the center. He can also find crisis centers for another location by entering the zip code and tapping on search. From the main screen, both Mike and his care provider can access the entire safety plan by tapping here. In the event the care provider does not have access to the companion app, he can create Mike's safety plan directly on the smartphone. The care provider can view individual sections of the safety plan and make changes by tapping Edit. Mike can also view and edit his safety plan. However, we recommend that he works with his care provider to review and update his safety plan. ReachZ also allows Mike to keep track of his appointments. He can access his appointments by tapping the My Appointments button. He can view his upcoming appointments and see the details. He can find location information and directions by tapping the location. He can also create a new appointment by tapping on the Create button. Appointments created in ReachZ are automatically added to the smartphone calendar and reminders are set. The care provider can access the companion app features by tapping on the menu button. He can create or update Mike's safety plan by scanning the QR code from the companion app. In a similar way, he can scan Mike's upcoming appointments. Another feature of ReachZ is the Analytics module, which gives valuable insight about the app usage. We see here that the app has been launched twice. It also emphasizes on the warning signs and their occurrences. Mike has experienced the feeling unhappy and lonely warning sign 3 times, and these are the past occurrences. In the beginning of our demo, we had talked about the ReachZ Companion App. Let's take a quick tour of the Companion App and its features to see how it complements the ReachZ app by streamlining the safety plan creation. The safety plan for the respective patients are transferred using standard QR codes to avoid duplication and errors. The companion app retains a copy of the safety plan for future reviews and updates. When the app is launched for the first time, the care provider needs to complete his profile. Let's complete the profile for Mr. Kevin Dale, who is a counselor at Burke Crisis Center. Now that the profile is saved, Mr. Dale can start adding new patients. He can always update his profile by tapping on Menu and Update Profile. Let's take the same scenario where our patient Mike is getting ready to be discharged and has the ReachZ app installed on his smartphone. Dr. Dale uses the companion app to create a new patient. He enters Mike's personal and emergency contact information and saves it. For this portion of the demo, we will be switching to actual devices to demonstrate the functionalities of the companion app and its integration with the ReachZ app. Dr. Dale navigates to Mike's profile and taps on the safety plan. He collaboratively works with Mike to create a safety plan. He then taps on the QR code. The companion app generates a QR code. He takes Mike's smartphone and scans the QR code. Here we see that the safety plan was successfully transferred onto Mike's smartphone. He navigates through the information that was scanned, and Mike can now have his safety plan on his phone. Dr. Dale follows the same steps to transfer the contact information to Mike's smartphone. He clicks on the QR Contacts tab and he scans the information onto Mike's smartphone. The app says, Safety plan successfully updated. Here we check the safety plan, and all of the information has been transferred onto my smartphone using the companion app. We have demonstrated how ReachZ and the companion app seamlessly integrates to transfer important information and contacts. We understand that accessing the safety plan on the smartphone is a new concept for Mike. So the companion app provides Dr. Dale an option to email a PDF version of the safety plan. Dr. Dale can also set up an appointment for Mike. We have already created a new appointment. Dr. Dale can scan the QR code and transfer the appointment information onto Mike's smartphone. Here we see that the appointment was successfully added. It automatically adds the appointment to the smartphone calendar and sets up reminders. 2 reminders are set 2 hours before and 1 day before. The ReachZ Companion App is tablet optimized to help care providers like Dr. Dale easily access and create safety plan for their patients. All the information is stored within the app and no backend servers are involved. We have now seen how ReachZ can enhance the continuity of care and follow up for a person at risk for suicide by integrating vital resources, reminders, and safety plan information to create a positive environment and help save a life, because we think life is beautiful. Thank you.